Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Are you looking to know how to install one of the best AI tools out there? In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Claude. Claude is an AI assistant built by Anthropic, designed to be helpful, honest, and harmless. It is an excellent tool for writing, coding, research, and tackling complex problems. Claude can analyze uploaded files like PDFs, images, and it is known for its large context window, allowing it to process lengthy documents. It is a top-performing AI app, consistently ranking among the most downloaded. So in this video, we want to install Claude. Go to Play Store, search, select app and search Claude, C-L-A-U-D-E. Select on it, Claude by Anthropic. Claude by Anthropic. Anthropic BBC, 4.7 stars, 548K reviews, 10 million plus downloads. Select install. Claude can generate idea. You just need to give prompt to Claude. It will generate idea for each particular query or each particular question or idea you are looking for. This is a great tool for business, for education, for complex topic, for research, etc. Once the app is ready, we're going to sign in. So how to install and download it, just like Android, open Google Play Store, just like we did, search for Claude and tap install. If you are using iOS, open App Store, search for Claude and tap get. Then on your desktop, visit official Claude website to download the app for Mac or Windows. So the app is installing. And also you need to make sure you have enough space on your phone to be able to install this app. The app is installed. Select open. Claude by Anthropic, the AI for problem solver. Continue with Google or enter your email. So I'm going to use my Google. So select Google, for example. Then you select Google account you want to use. Then select agree to terms and condition. Then you create your account, select agree, select continue. What is your date of birth? This helps us verify your account. Then you select date. Then you type your date of birth. So once you put your date of birth, then you select continue. Verify your phone number. So scroll down, then select your country. They will send a code for you to verify the telephone number. So I'm going to put my telephone number. Once you put your phone number, then you select send verification code. So you send in verification code. So then you type your name. Select continue. Help improve our AI models. We use your data and coding session to train and improve Anthropic AI model. You can change this setting anytime in your privacy settings. Agree to this or not. Just cancel it, then select continue. Coffee and Cloud sign. Cloud table 5 is currently unavailable. If you select upgrade to Pro, it will show you the price for the upgrade. This one is Sonnet 4.6. It will show you chat with Claude. So I want us to search and give a Claude prompt. Give us 4 side hustles to make money online. Then you select this to submit. Turn notification on. Notification is not compulsory. I'm going to refuse notification. So it's generating. This information is generated. Here are 4 solid side hustles to make money online. First, freelance writing or copyright. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra let you offer writing service, blog posts, ad copy, email, and more. Even beginners can earn $25 to $75 per hour, with experienced writers charging $100 plus. The second option, selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Think ebooks, Notion templates, Canva designs, or online courses on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. It is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Number 3, freelance social media management. Small businesses constantly need help managing Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. You can manage 2 to 3 clients on site, charging $300 to $1,500 per month per client. The 4th idea is tutoring or teaching online. If you have expertise in any subject, math, coding, languages, music, platforms like Preply, Wizant, or even your own Zoom setup let you charge $20 to $100 per hour depending on the subject. The key to any of these is starting small and being consistent. Pick the one that aligns most with your existing skills and go from there. Want more detail on any of these, then you can type further prompt and it will give you more information. Claude is an AI and can make mistakes. Please double check responses. And also if you go on top, it will show you your previous charts and projects, artifacts. So you can go back to the chart. So once you select on the chart, it will show you the previous chart. This is the previous one for online side hustle for extra income. So if you select on it, it will show you the information Claude gave. So this is how to install and use Claude on your mobile phone. It will show you new chart. If you go to this 3 dots, you can delete it. You can select on it and delete. So this is how to use Claude on your Android. So you can create project as well, artifact. You can also upload images. So you can select start a new chart. If you select plus, it's for you to add a file. So you can use camera, photo, or file and add it. So you select photo or file and get Claude to interpret it for you or give you more details about it. If you select upgrade to Pro, then they give you a price for Pro. Get more Claude. Choose the right plan for you. Pro for everyday productivity. So £18 per month billed monthly or $194 billed yearly. So this one is Pro plan. Everything in free version plus. So you get everything in free version. More usage time, access Claude code and co-work, access more Claude models, organize charts and documents with unlimited projects, and also you have Max for more time with Claude, $112.50 per month, which is £225. We show you 20 times more usage than Pro. Build monthly. Max is about everything in Pro plus. Everything in Pro. Choose 5 times or 20 times more usage than Pro. Priority access at high traffic time. Early access to advanced Claude features. So this is information I thought to share with you, how to install and download Claude on your mobile phone and also how to use or give prompt to Claude. I hope this helped you. Please, while you are here, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.